Hi, I'm Graham. I run a marketing consultancy, marketing and digital consultancy company. Been working in commercial marketing roles, marketing and sales roles in multinationals right throughout my career, and obviously a core marketing professional. Why I've looked at coaching as an area of interest at this stage in my career is because I have had throughout the years obviously encountered experiences where performance is all that matters, but really what goes into driving that performance has been looked into, but I believe coaching would address some of the more deeper issues in the factors that drive performance. As far as I'm concerned, I've always liked teaching, mentoring, student counseling, as far as guiding students in career counseling, and coaching to me was what I thought would be an extension of this function, and I plan on extending coaching to be a very distinct vertical in my new organization by itself. So hence the decision to be a part of this program. It's been a fantastic journey so far. I must say it's been a bit of a surprise in what I expected and what is transpiring to be what coaching is all about. It's a fairly steep learning curve, but nonetheless, I think with the fantastic support of Bradley and Arvind on the coaching staff here, and a great unit that we're working with, and for those of you who are interested in coaching, it's not something that you can do alone. You have to have initially the support of your colleagues in the fraternity. There is a lot of peer work that goes on, there is a lot of self-study, but it's a lot of peer and support work, coaching, being a coachee, being a coach, that is a part of this journey. So in saying that, I think I'm looking forward to being a part of this group for the next couple of weeks, and then extending it further by logging into more hours of doing actual coaching, getting experience, and really getting my teeth into it and I think it's something that it's a continuous improvement process where you really get to the part where we're able to change the outlook of someone who will eventually, by that conscious decision, change himself. So I think eventually you're looking at it primarily and from an overarching point of view that you're able to let someone see for him or herself what needs or what he could do in order to make a change and thereby improve his or her performance. And that's what it is. You're just there as a coach to nudge them through that process. I'm looking forward to being with the group, and once again thanks to Bradley and the coaching staff from India, Arvind, for taking us through this journey. And thank you.